In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Reddit account on all devices. This is especially useful if you've ever logged into Reddit on a shared computer, a work device, a friend's phone, or if you're simply concerned that someone else might still have access to your account. Signing out of all other sessions gives you a fresh start and helps keep your account secure. First, open Reddit in your browser or the Reddit app, and make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. If you see a prompt asking you to log in, go ahead and enter your username and password, then continue. Once you're signed in, you'll need to head over to your account settings. On the desktop site, look for your profile icon, usually in the top right corner. Click it and then select the option that takes you to your account settings. In the Reddit app, tap your profile icon and find the settings or account settings option there. The exact wording can change slightly with updates, but it will clearly mention account or settings. Inside your account settings, look for the section related to account activity or security. What you're trying to find is the part labeled Active Sessions. This section shows devices and locations that are currently logged into your Reddit account. It might list your phone, your computer, or any other device that has an active session. Now, scroll down until you see Active Sessions. Take a quick look at what's listed so you're aware of where your account has been accessed. This is a good habit for monitoring unusual activity. If something looks off, changing your password right after this process is a smart idea. To sign out everywhere else, look for the option that says Log out of all other sessions. Click or tap this option. When you do, Reddit will immediately invalidate all sessions except the one you're currently using. That means any other device where you were logged in will be signed out and will need the password again to gain access. Give it a moment to process, and that's it. You've now successfully signed out of your Reddit account on all other devices. From here, consider updating your password and turning on additional security features if available. Thanks for watching, and take a moment every so often to repeat this process to keep your Reddit account safe and under your control.